Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This one's going to be a Crest 220LX. This is a 2023 model. This is an awesome boat. We're going to take a look at some of the features. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got an awesome pro shop with tubes, boards, anything that you need. We've got an awesome finance department that'll take care of you and set you up with insurance and everything. And then on the back end, we have a great service department that's going to take care of you out on the water, give you that peace of mind so you can just enjoy it with your family. Let's take a look inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step into the boat, you can see we did option this boat with the center walk-through dual helm setup. This is really nice for your passenger whenever you guys are out there riding, and also it maximizes the space, so you guys are going to get a ton of people on here. On this port side, you can see we do have an awesome table right here. This is really useful whenever you're out on the water eating or whatever it may be. On the helm, we do have all of our simple switches as well as a Fusion audio head unit. This is going to be Bluetooth, USB, everything that you guys need. We do have a low rance hook system, so this is going to be your depth finder, chart plotter, fish finder, everything like that. And we have our throttle over there that is powering the 150 horsepower Merc on the back. You do have a ski tow bar as well, so you guys are going to be able to wakeboard, tube, whatever you guys want to do out there on the water. Finally, as we step forward, you can see we have this dual lounger setup up here as well. There's storage underneath all of these where you're going to be able to put your life jackets, your towels, anything like that while you're out there on the water. And it's great seating as well. Again, this is a Crest 220LX here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call. We can get you scored away.